Ever tried to game in the dark, only to find your keyboard a blurry mess? This mechanical marvel promises to light up your night, literally, and elevate your gameplay to a whole new level. It's not just about aesthetics. This 104-key beast packs some serious performance under its sleek exterior. Right out of the box, you immediately notice the robust build. This isn't some flimsy plastic toy. We're talking about a thick metal panel that gives the keyboard a substantial, premium feel. The CNC polishing on all sides adds a shining metallic luster that truly catches the eye, making it a centerpiece on any desk. It feels incredibly sturdy, like it could withstand countless intense gaming sessions without a single complaint. Now let's talk about the heart of any mechanical keyboard, the switches. This one comes equipped with professional blue switches, and for good reason. That satisfying, audible asterisk click isn't just for show. It provides an incredibly tactile feedback that serious gamers crave. You don't just press a key, you feel the actuation point, making your actions precise and confident. This translates directly into better in-game performance, and the longer button life means this keyboard is built to endure years of furious key presses. For those late-night gaming marathons, the cold light white backlight is a game-changer. It's not just a static glow. You get 8 different backlight modes that you can cycle through with FN plus SCL. Want to set a more dynamic mood? Adjust the breathing frequency with FN plus left-right, or fine-tune the brightness with FN plus up-down. It's incredibly versatile, ensuring you can always see your keys clearly without blinding yourself, making it perfectly suitable even to experience the game at night. And for the gamers out there, the anti-ghosting feature is absolutely crucial. No more missed inputs when you're mashing multiple keys in a frantic combo. This keyboard ensures every command registers, preventing conflicts and achieving more game operation instructions, giving you that critical edge when it matters most. The keycaps themselves are another highlight. Made from ABS resin with a 2-color injection molding process, they feel comfortable to the touch and allow for uniform light transmission. They're also designed to be incredibly durable, not easy to fade or scratch, so your most used keys won't wear out and become illegible after a few months. Each keycap feels like it can withstand tempering, confessing the phenomenon of fading of the keycap. Overall, this mechanical gaming keyboard is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a durable, high-performance peripheral with excellent backlighting and a satisfying typing experience. It's a powerhouse that feels incredibly well built and performs exactly as you'd expect from a quality mechanical board.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.